Hey guys, welcome to Madhu's Drawing Academy. Today we are going to draw Hello Kitty Christmas. First, draw oval shapes for the eyes and the nose. Add the ear. Draw the face. Draw a circle for the bow. Add 2 small loops. Now, let's draw the hat. Add the pom-pom. Draw 6 small curved lines for the furs. Add jacket collar. Draw the jacket. Add the hands. Draw a line. Finally, draw short legs and small black boots to complete the look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.